Hi guys, it's me Tara coming to you from thecraftsergeant.com. Thanks for joining me for another video. So real quick, I wanted to hop on here and share with you guys a limited time amazing opportunity that's going on right now. So I felt the need that I know I do a lot of crafting and I showcase a lot of my craftiness through videos and Facebook lives and stuff, but I feel like I need to start giving you guys information on what's happening in Stampin' Up. And the reason why I say that is because I feel like I'm not doing you guys justice. Like, I have a lot of fun doing this. I know a lot of people who have fun creating with Stampin' Up products and everything. And why would I keep that information to myself? So with that being said, I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys about an amazing limited time offer that's going on with Stampin' Up. So we have literally like 8 days left in the month, okay? And so for the month of July, there has been a promotion going on where, if you haven't already heard, Stampin' Up is giving away a free Stampin' ink pad assortment to all new recruits. It's free when you purchase a starter kit. Now, what does that mean? So you see this flyer here? This flyer gives you all of our color collections. So each collection has 10 inks. So when you sign up and you purchase your starter kit for $99, you get to pick one of these kits in addition to your products that you pick for your starter kit, okay? That is a total of 10 ink pads that are valued at $75 for a limited time. Now, you have until the 31st of July to sign up. I would love to have you as a part of the Operation Inker Team family. I'm also a part of, and I'm going to give her a shout out, another amazing team called A Little Piece of Art Stampers, which is run by Dina Rico of the Creativity Cave. Some of you guys might have heard of her. If you haven't, hop on over to her channel, check her out. But there are some amazing ladies on our team, and there's so much inspiration and stuff going on all about. So I guess the question is, how, like, what is a demonstrator? What do you do? And do I have to do everything that you do, Tara? And I'm here to tell you no. First off, let me explain to you kind of a little bit how I interpret what a demonstrator is. A demonstrator is what you want to be. This is someone who you want, whoever you want to be. And what I mean by that is there are a lot of individuals out there who are creative, and that is what we're in the job to do. We're in the job to teach people how to tap into their inner creativity. We're here to inspire. We're here to teach stamping, and we're here to show people another way of, creating with stamps, ink, and paper, because that's our foundation. Now, another thing about being a demonstrator is that we bring people together, and that is my favorite part about being a demonstrator, is the togetherness, the relationships that we create when we craft together. It is amazing at how many people I know right now that I wouldn't have known otherwise if I had never signed up for Stampin' Up. Now, mind you, I've only been a demonstrator for 1 year and a few months. But let me tell you, it has been the best experience of my life. I mean, yes, I spent a lot on craft supplies. I spent a lot of money. I'm just going to be totally transparent with y'all. I spent a lot of money on crafts before I joined Stampin' Up. But I never got the camaraderie and the relationships and the friendships from what I was doing before versus now. And it's an amazing part of what Stampin' Up is all about. I love knowing that I can go anywhere around the globe right now, and I can find some Stampin' Up demonstrators, and they'll accept me with open arms because we all share the same passion, the same dedication, the same, just the same. It's hard to explain. We just share the same mentality when it comes to crafting, and it brings us closer and it brings us together, and that is my favorite part. It's a lot. Stampin' Up is a lot of fun. Let me tell you, there's a lot of fun techniques that we try. There's a lot of little things here and there that you learn, things that you never knew before about stamping and creating. Sometimes you can step outside of the box and create things that you never thought possible. And one thing I get a lot of people say that they can't do this because they're not creative. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna be real with y'all. You do not have to be creative to make a card or to create a scrapbook page or to do a little bit of watercoloring. You don't have to do that because Stampin' Up has this awesome policy. It's called casing. So you can copy and share everything and be fine. And even with that, you can get inspiration. Once you start going, you start to find your creativity. You start to find that inspiration. And then you start creating your stuff. Now, like with anything, like a bicycle, you have to, there's some training wheels on there. You have to keep experimenting and playing around with the products in order to get better at it. But at the end of the day, you do not have to be creative to do this at all. There's a lot of things that I create that I can create some things off the top of my head just like that, but sometimes I have to go to Pinterest. Sometimes I use the catalog as inspiration. Like I can look at this and be like, okay, I'm going to do this exactly. And then in the middle of crafting, I tend to just go off on a rampage and start creating my own thing, and then I come up with this amazing product that doesn't even look like what's in the catalog. So you do not have to be creative to do this. Another question I get is, what exactly do you do, Tara? Like, you're a demonstrator, we know you make cards and you can do custom orders for us, and I see you doing a lot of stamping and stuff on your Facebook Live, but what exactly do you do? And that's why I said, what is a demonstrator? We inspire creativity and we bring people together, and we love to get excited about learning new techniques, how to stamp, and more. It's just the world of paper crafting is huge. There's a lot of things that you can delve in. Now, another question I get is, all right, so if I become a demonstrator, what do I gotta do? People ask like, okay, so I'm not very tech savvy. I don't want to do YouTube videos. I don't want to be on Facebook Live. I don't even want to be around people because I don't like people like that. There are people out there like that. And let me tell you, you run this the way you want to. You do not have to do classes. You don't have to do workshops. You don't have to do YouTube. You don't have to do Facebook Lives. You don't have to do Pinterest. You can just be a happy stamper. You get one of the benefits, which is your discount on your products. I don't know who doesn't like a discount because I spend a lot of money on, I told y'all, I spend a lot of money on crafts. So this discount really helps. But you can just be what we consider a hobbyist. And those are people who just love the product. They love to play around with it. They create what they create. They take advantage of all of the perks that Stampin' Up has. And they go about their merry way. There's no classes, there's no workshops, there's no big events. But the cool thing about it is that you do get the added demonstrator only title. You get to go to the demonstrator only events if you want. You get to earn the incentive trip if you want. You get to purchase as much product as you want and still get free stuff on top of that if you want, so that's another cool thing about being a demonstrator is you run your business your way. Now there are some people who want to create a business. They want to earn a little bit of extra income, and you can do that with this. For me, I'll be totally honest with you guys. I have a full-time job. I have 2 kids. I'm married. I'm going to school. There's a lot going on in my life, and I still find time to, craft on the side. So this is kind of like my side hobby, side hustle. So I might sell a few cards here and there. I love doing Facebook videos. I love doing YouTube videos because it's something that I really love to do. Would I love to make this a business? Yes, but today is probably not that day to make it. I can't go, just quit my job and be like, I'm going to do this, 100%. So this is something that I do on a hobby. This is my me time. This is what I do to make me happy. So like I said, your business isn't going to look like the next person's. You make it what you want to make it. So everyone has different goals in mind. So whatever your goal is, go with it. You want a business build, then business build. You want to just stay in your craft room, lock yourself away, and this is your sanctuary. That can be your sanctuary and your stamping time. You want to sell your cards off on the side, and that's all you want to do at like flea markets and craft fairs, then do you, boo-boo. That's what you do, okay? So you don't have to worry about what other people are doing. Run your business your way, all right? And on top of all that, at the end of the day, you still get all the benefits and all the perks. And there's a whole bunch. of benefits and perks. Like I told you, you get the 20 to 25% off. You get access to the demonstrator only events like on stage. I'll be going to on stage in November and I'm super excited. I've gone to 2 so far. I was kind of debating not, maybe like a few years from now to go. But no, I'm so glad I went because now this is something that I look forward to twice a year. April and November. November's supposed to be huge. So if you want to be with me down in Orlando, Florida, be sure to sign up during this promotion. Okay, so that way you can take part in getting these free ink pads because that'll start you off really, really well. All right, so I guess you're asking, what do you have to do in order to get started? All you have to do is purchase the starter kit. That's it. The starter kit. And the starter kit is $99. Okay. It's $99. You get $125 worth of product. Okay. Yes. You pick and customize your kit the way you want. So Stampin' Up doesn't have like set kits like this is what you're going to buy, this is what you need, or this is what you're just stuck with these items that I picked for you and you can't pick anything else. No, that's not how they work. You go in the catalog, you pick $125 worth of product, and then you only pay $99 for it. That's it. On top of that, they also throw in a business pack just in case, because they don't know. They don't know your goals. Only you know your goals. So they throw in a business pack that has catalogs and order forms just in case you do want to throw maybe like a monthly or a quarterly workshop just so you don't have to pay for stamping supplies with your own money, which I mean, some people do that too. And there's nothing wrong with that. But they throw that stuff in there just in case you decide to be a business builder. And that opportunity is always there. The door is always there for you to step through, okay? On top of that, they also take care of the shipping. So it's just $99 straight out. If you need help, let me tell you, if you need help with suggestions on what to put in your starter kit, I can help you out. That's fine. But that's the biggest thing. There's an awesome promotion going on. We have literally like less than 10 days to take advantage of this, and I would hate for you guys to miss out. So what are you guys waiting for? What are you waiting for? Sign up. Become an Operation Inker. I would love to have you as a member of my team. Like I said, if you need a catalog, let me know. I can send you one. Comment down below in the comment section or send me a text message if you have questions, that kind of stuff. I am here for you. Let me know what you guys want to do. But other than that, this is the most awesome opportunity, so don't miss out on this because it's only for a limited amount of time. And that's all I got for you guys. Now I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my day. So y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching and happy stamping. Oh, I did forget to mention that down in the description box below, you will find all of the links to details on becoming an Operation Inker. So if you head on over to my website, thecraftsurgeon.com, I do have a page dedicated to becoming a demonstrator. It breaks down a lot of the perks and benefits of being an Operation Inker and being a Stampin' Up demonstrator. There's also a frequently asked question PDF on there, so if you have any more questions, you can feel free to refer to that. And there is also a suggestion starter kit flyer as well. Ooh.